Hello guys, welcome back to this video and I hope you learn something throughout the whole video later on. But before that, today we're going to learn something very exciting whereby you're going to learn on the very first topic to slice the string of indices. So you might wonder why is that, right? No worries, we're going to start very soon. But before that, if you haven't get your Anaconda ready, please feel free to refer to the top right side over here whereby you can learn on how to install Anaconda and you come to this video to proceed further. So without further ado, let's go to start now. Yeah! Hello guys, so our very first question is, what is string? What is string means and how it looks like. You might wonder how, right? No worries, we're going to look at the definition now. So a string is a set of characters and being used to store data that is text. Please remember, text. So instead of number, for example, my name, I have Kevin, K-E-V-I-N, is a text, right? So it can be stored as a string instead of using the number. Okay, the next one. So a string will be enclosed by either single or double quotes. Single or double quotes here. For example, I have my name just now, Kevin, K-E-V-I-N. I will use the single quote or either double quotes to denote that it's a text instead of a number. Next, so I want to do the slices of string indices. Slices means I want to cut it out into different parts. I want to access the certain elements from there. So slices is like I cut into different parts. So one of the example, okay, before that, there is a square bracket syntax is used to access the character in the string. For example, I want to take out IN from the character K-E-V-I-N. I just want to take out the IN only, right? So I want to use the square bracket to take out the IN. So this is how it's being used to extract certain items from the whole character, whole text. All right, want to do the slices now. So this is an example here. I have KLK followed by Kevin Lim. So Kevin Lim is being named into the KLK. So the K is a first character, right? But I have a position of number 0. Python read in such a way that the first one will be a position of 0, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And do remember that space is counted as one of the positions as well. So it's taking up the 5th position, followed by 6, 7, and 8. And the other way around, if I read it from the end to the front, so I have the last character will be the -1 position, followed by -2, -3, and so on. And the space is taking up one of the position as well. So it's -4 and -5 up to the last one, -9. All right, so this is how it looks like and how it's being named. So we have 2 examples here. So if I want to ask a question, KLK, I want to take 0 up to 5th position. So what is the answer that I will get? So please remember that the 0 is the first one, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. So you wonder why I don't just put 0 up to 4, because the 4 can take out K-E-V-I-N up to the last character of Kevin already, right? But please remember that in Python, the second character being placed here before the close bracket is not considered to taking up to the position. For example, I want to take 0 up to 5. It will only take me to 0 up to 4. Therefore, I have to take 0 up to 5 in order for me to extract the whole thing K-E-V-I-N. Please remember that if I want to take out K-E-V only, I have to take 0, 1, 2, but also one more, 3. So 0 up to 3 in order for me to take K-E-V. All right. And the other way around, if I want to extract it from the end to the front, I have -3 here. So I want to take out -3, L up to the last character M, L-I-M. I take -3 up to the end. So we're going to look at more example at the Python notebook using the Python to have more clearer image on how it looks like. All right, guys, so we are here at Python notebook. So we're going to look at some of the example in the Python. So first of all, hello guys, welcome to Kevin's tutorial. And our very first thing that I want to mention to you guys is a hashtag. So the hashtag sign is used to comment. What does that mean? For example, if I want to make certain sentence as notes for myself, I don't want to let Python or Python to read it as a coding. So I can use the symbol hashtag to make it as a comment instead of a code to run. For example, I want to put, for my own reference, I put a hashtag in front. So it will be not ran by Python. All right, and we could use the plus sign to concatenate the items or the elements. For example, I want to link up together. One of the things is A and another one is B. I want to link them up together. I can use the plus sign to concatenate the items together. For example, I have the A equals to Kevin, and I want to print out the A plus with is handsome. So I can try to run it. I will get Kevin is handsome because the Kevin is written into the A here. And then is handsome is concatenated into the A together. So I will get the Kevin is handsome. And the second one, let's look at the slicing part. As we already mentioned just now in the slide. So we could try to run it and we'll get the Kevin as the answer. So Kevin Lim is a whole text, right? I just want to extract 0 up to 5th. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we have to add one more position because it's read up to one more character, right? So 0 up to 5 in order for me to get Kevin. All right. And the second one, if I want to read it 0 up to 8, I will get Kevin Lee only instead of Lim, right? So I need to change it to 9 in order for me to get Kevin Lee, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and need to add one more, the 9, in order for me to extract Kevin Lim, the whole thing. All right. And the next one, if I didn't put anything at the back of the colon sign, for example, I just put 0 up to nothing, it will give me the whole thing. For example, Kevin Lim, because from the beginning up to the end. If there's nothing here, it means that we'll read to the end, Kevin Lim. And the same goes to the other one. If I have 0 up to 1,000, however, we only have 9, right? So if I put it 1,000, it will still give me Kevin Lim because there's nothing after 9. So it will still give me the whole thing of Kevin Lim. And one great thing here is like I want to take out IN only from the whole thing of Kevin Lim. If I want to just pull out IN, I could use the 3 to 5, the position number 3 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and add one more, 5, in order for me to extract the whole IN. All right. And if I put nothing in the colon sign, before colon and after colon, there's nothing, there's no number, it will give me the whole thing, Kevin Lim. All right, if you want to work in the other way around from the end to the front, so if I have -2 here, I will get I because -1 is M, -2 is I. So I will get the I here. And if I start with the third last character and I want to read up to the end, for example, I want to read from L to I to M, L, I, M together. Sorry, not L to I to M, it's L to M. So I will get Lim because it's from -3. -1, -2, -3, up to the end, up to the end. The colon sign means up to the end, up to. So it's -3 up to the end, I will get Lim. And the next one, if I just change the other way, from the beginning up to -3, what did I get? I will get Kevin space because it is from the beginning up to -3, but not including -3. So it's reading from here and not including L, so it's Kevin and space. So all right, there's a quiz over here. I hope you could try it out using your Python and Jupyter notebook to try it out and give me the answer in the comment box so that we can discuss together. And if there's any question, please feel free to drop me a comment. And I hope to see you all in the coming videos. And thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.